Hello YouTube. So today just want to show what a bad wheel bearing on a Nissan Armada looks like. So you just hold it side to side and you shake it. You can see how much it's moving. And the symptoms is you'll be driving down the road and you feel like the tail end of the car wants to run away from you. At times when you do the 9 o'clock and the 3 o'clock position, it could be some of the support structure on there that's bad on some different vehicles. But if you do the 12 o'clock and 6 p.m. position and it wobbles like that, you have a problem. This one is really bad. You let it go on for too long. So that's what a bad wheel bearing looks like. That's what it looks like. Okay, thanks.